Symptoms of a bad transmission control module, TCM. Is your car acting weird? Hard shifts, slipping gears, or random warning lights? You might be dealing with a bad transmission control module, and ignoring it could cost you big. In this video, we're breaking down the top symptoms of a failing TCM, what causes it, and how to know for sure if yours is on the way out. Let's save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. 1. Check engine light or transmission warning light. One of the first indicators of TCM trouble is the check engine light illuminating on your dashboard. While this light can turn on for many reasons, a diagnostic scan using an OBD2 scanner will often reveal specific transmission-related trouble codes. These codes might include P0700, transmission control system malfunction, P0715, input/turbine speed sensor malfunction, P0720, output speed sensor circuit, P0605. Internal control module read-only memory, ROM, error. Modern vehicles may also have a dedicated transmission warning light, which could illuminate if there's a serious issue with shifting or gear recognition. 2. Erratic or delayed shifting. A failing TCM often struggles to manage gear changes effectively. You might notice hard or jerky shifts when accelerating or decelerating, a delayed gear engagement, especially when moving from park to drive or reverse, is skipping gears or holding onto a gear too long, is shifting at the wrong RPMs, which affects acceleration and engine performance. These issues occur because the TCM is failing to interpret input signals correctly or isn't responding to them in real time. 3. Limp mode activation, stuck in one gear. Many vehicles have a fail-safe or limp mode built into the TCM. When the module detects a serious problem, it may force the transmission to stay in second or third gear to prevent further damage. In limp mode, the vehicle moves very slowly. RPMs might spike with little acceleration. You'll often be unable to manually change gears. Limp mode is meant to let you drive to a repair shop, but not much more. 4. Transmission fails to shift. In more severe cases, a bad TCM might cause the transmission to completely stop shifting gears. This may manifest as it being stuck in neutral, transmission only working in reverse, and not engaging in drive, even when the shifter is moved into place. This is a critical failure that should be diagnosed and repaired immediately to avoid damaging the transmission. 5. Transmission slipping. Slipping occurs when the engine revs up but the vehicle doesn't accelerate properly, or the transmission momentarily loses power. A bad TCM can cause this due to incorrect hydraulic pressure, faulty shift commands, poor timing of gear engagement. You may feel the vehicle hesitating, jerking, or surging during acceleration. 6. Poor fuel economy. Because the TCM controls when your transmission shifts gears, incorrect shifting can keep your engine in an inefficient RPM range. If the transmission is holding gears too long or shifting too early, fuel consumption may increase. You might notice you're filling up the tank more often. The car feels sluggish or over-revving. Mileage is down even though driving conditions haven't changed. Final notes. What to do if you suspect TCM issues. If you're experiencing any of the above symptoms, here's what you should do. 1. Run a diagnostic scan. Use an OBD2 scanner to pull trouble codes. 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. TCM issues are sometimes caused by corroded or loose connections. 3. Test the transmission range sensor. It could be misreading gear positions. 4. Visit a transmission specialist. They can test the TCM's performance with advanced tools. If your car's been acting up with rough shifting, gear slipping, or random dash lights, don't ignore it. That TCM could be trying to tell you something important. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I always do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense auto repair tips.